नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को प्यार।
Hello guys, thanks for joining in. I hope you all are having lots of fun. I also having fun watching my own videos, guys. So there are lots of videos in my channel, so have a look at the videos in my channel, guys. This temple video, then the recent one also, the firebolt, which I had uploaded last week. So go and watch, guys. My channel has lots of lovely videos and all. And today I'm thinking of repairing a watch. Like, I have these two watches, both are Ricoh watches, and this one is all parts. I have opened it, and this one it's in working condition, but there are some problems, like the key problem. This one, it's not attached, it comes out, and other few more. So I have to make this watch working. So I've used this watch's parts, I'll put it in, I'll mix them, and I have to make this one working. This one is a very special dial, and this one I have put Timex dial in this one, guys, if you can see in the camera. So I have to make this one working condition. So let's go, guys. I'll get you closer, and I'll not show you the full making and all. I'll show the important parts and all only, and some of the details and all, and try to make you all have fun watching the watch repair videos. How is up, life insurers? It's me, Aaka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aaka's Life Venture. Firstly, guys, I'll open this watch and I'll separate the dial and see what else I need to do. And this one is already open, and I'll show you the dial after it's made. So let's see till where we can go. So this watch has one more thing which is missing is okay, it has the balance assembly. I don't know it's working or not, because if it was working then it should have been working. So I'll check the balance assembly also. And this dial had been stuck with the help of glue. So guys, I didn't need to take out the dial screw, and dial screw is present out here. This one, dial screw, one here and one in the opposite direction out here, but it's not there. The dial screw is missing out there, so we'll have to find the dial screw. Otherwise, I think this watch is in good condition, but the main problem is the keyless lock out here, guys. So here is the keyless lock, guys. So I have to work on that also. To open this one, guys, we have to just move it little bit, and this one just comes out like this. Slowly you have to take it out, and this one gets lost by its screw, which is held out here. It has a spring also, and we have to be very careful with the springs, guys, because if the spring gets lost, so everything will get lost. So just to reach at the keyless lock, either I have to open this back part or the front part, guys. Now let's see, guys, what's in there. So guys, on watching, the button system which changes the date is working. So this one is working. This is the other piece. I am taking out the parts and all, and the back side is like this way. You can see the back side. So this whole plate is missing, guys, in this one, and the wheels, train of wheel is also not working properly, I think, guys. Let's see what else. Remove the screw. Now removing the rotor. The thing is, guys, now we have to put all the things very systematically, guys, because if you lose even one of those things, then it will be like hell, guys. And if I open this one, that will also be a hell, guys, because it has the train of wheels and which are just now in good working condition. So I think I'll go from the front side, because assembling this one is a bit easier, but it has small springs and all, so if you lose those springs and all also, it will be very much painstaking, guys. So I'll open this one and then I'll show you. First 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 screws, and this plate will come out and this date will come out, and then if we need, we have to open these moving parts also. Plates coming off, and as soon as you move this date window, there's a very small tiny spring out here, guys, if camera can show you. And yeah, guys, it flew away. So the spring is gone, guys. Okay, let's see if I have some extra springs or not. This happens if the spring goes away, guys. Thank God, guys, spring is out here. It didn't go far away. Camera focus. I don't think, guys, it can focus. This one is the other plate, guys, and this also has the keyless work parts missing, but the date changing part is good enough for this one. And this one's date changing part is a bit different type of mechanism, that's why it's causing problem, I think so. So I'll change the date parts out there from this one to here and remove this one. Let's see after that what happens if this one starts to catch the crown stem. Now, guys, after opening both the date mechanism, I found there is a huge difference, guys, in both the machine, guys. This one has a tiny hole out here with the push button one, and the pull one does not have the hole, guys. If you can see, A very small tiny hole out here. Let's see what we can do next, guys.
There is this one small tiny part which I have taken out from this one, and now this thing has started to hold. It's not coming out. See, so it's getting locked out here just now. This one is the pull system. Guys, I have put on the date changing mechanism, and you can see this one is also working now, guys. I tightened this screw. This holds this gear, which is used to wind the barrel. Now I am going to attach the date and day mechanism out here. Guys, I have assembled the date and day window. Now I have to put the dial. So I put the dial.
I have not tried to pull this crown out, so I don't know what will happen. So I'll set the hands, then I'll see what I can do. Only one last thing remaining to do, guys. I am going to do an heart transplant from this watch. I'll put the heart into this watch. So sir, kindly lend us your heart so that we can check if our experiment was successful or not.
Sir, kindly return it back as soon as your work is over in good condition.
Thank you, sir. Guys, I have the heart. It's the heart. Sorry guys, the heart did not beat. Placing the heart back in place. And see guys, it's working perfectly. That's why immediately started to move in this one. So this one didn't become a successful experiment, guys. It needs more work to be done on it. Lifenturers, you could see that the balance did not move. The balance assembly did not work, which is the heart of the watch, guys. It was an unsuccessful try, but it wasn't an unworthful try, guys. The reason because is that even I didn't get unsuccessful in making the watch work, but I got an experience, one more experience of opening a Ricoh watch. The second thing is that the push button Ricoh watch and the pull one, this one, I thought they had the same machines, guy. But yesterday when I did the thing, I found out that there is a tiny hole in the push button one, and this one does not have that hole. So this one can be set in a push button machine, but a push button cannot be set in the pull button machine, guys. I learned that one thing also, so it was a learning experience. And guys, the another thing was that it had two problems. One was the balance problem, and the second the knee joint problem, which is the keyless work. So guys, it didn't get fixed, guys. It's still coming out. Just now it didn't come out, but it's coming out, guys. So I won't put stress on the watch just to show, but when I checked it, it was coming out. So it's just now it got locked. It's something different. Although I have been unsuccessful, but the thing is that I have not lost it, guys. I will again give it try some other day, and again I'll make it and use this watch, have it in my wrist and enjoy its beauty, guys. So the dial is like this. I hope, guys, you all like my efforts. So a like would be highly appreciated, guys. Please press the thumbs button out there, guys. Do share my videos, guys, and comment on my videos. Thanks for joining in, guys, once again, and do subscribe my channel so that our family members increases and I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and